Boat maintenance videos. I get the impression, based on the number of views that my boat maintenance videos have been getting, that people are not that interested in watching an old guy work very slowly on getting his boat ready to go into water. So I'm basically going to post one more today that I just shot, and I'll probably post one when everything is done and you can see what the boat looks like just before it goes in. And that will be pretty much it for this year as far as boat maintenance is concerned. And after that, probably after next week, most of my videos are going to be scenery and sailing videos, which hopefully people will be more interested in. Now, I'm not doing this because I absolutely, want more views. I'm just noting that it appears that people aren't that keen on my boat maintenance videos. And I would rather put stuff up that people like, rather than stuff that people go, another boat maintenance video, I'll skip that one. So, after all, the money is important. I think I might make $70 this month from YouTube. Yeah, the money doesn't matter at all. It's actually kind of a nuisance. The main thing it does is raise my taxes a little bit because, of course, as a self-employed individual, which you are when you have a YouTube channel, I have to pay Social Security and Medicare tax on my boat income, which is about 15%, in addition to income tax. So this ends up costing me, 35% of what I earn. So if I earn about $75 a month, after taxes and everything, I get a whole $50 to put in my wallet. Woohoo! Yeah, $50 is neither here nor there. So I make these videos because of two reasons. I enjoy doing it, and the other reason is I want to make videos that people will enjoy watching. So anyway, that's pretty much it for boat maintenance videos for 2026. Unless, of course, something breaks during the course of the season and I have to fix it. And then I'll probably make a video about that. But that's the way it goes. And over the next few days and few months, you can look forward to a lot more scenery videos here on Mount Desert Island, Maine, and in the waters off Mount Desert Island, Maine. Thanks for watching, and don't look forward to any more boat maintenance videos.